This dude's about to make a vinegar thing explode. Alright, do it. Go,
Come on,
big
get
guy.
in there.
Look, you're doing it wrong.
Is it
Gotta
too big?
squeeze the bottom and push it. Yeah, try to. You're failing at this so badly right now. I think you filled it up with too much.
I did.
Where's the cap? Oh, right there. I see it.
Come on.
Hurry. Hold the camera.
I got it. It's going in.
And
Ready?
go.
Come on. Got it. Go. Go.
Hold it tight.
Go.
Alright, go. Throw it. Throw it at the tree.
Whoa, it's hard, dude. Feel it.
Oh, I want to throw it. Hold the camera.
Okay.
Alright.
Ready? Are you gonna throw it at the tree?
I'm gonna try. Go.
You missed. Go get it quick. Quick.
Oh, this one's my feet. My feet so very bad. Oh, not really.
Come on, Jimmy.
Oh no, it's leaking.
Hurry, go quick.
That was loud.
Did you hear that? That was so awesome. That is so freaking awesome.
He's like, what was that? Give me my camera.
We gotta watch.